How to sign up for Mem.ai app. Hi everybody, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to be learning how you can get started by using Mem.ai using your smartphone. First of all, open the Mem.ai application on your device, and if you haven't downloaded the app yet, you can go visit your App Store or your Google Play Store and download this application over here. Once you're inside the welcome screen after opening up the app, choose how you'd like to sign up with. You can continue signing up with Google or Apple. Tap on one of the options. I'm just gonna click on sign in with Google. Now click the continue button to get started, and now on the next page, you'll need to go ahead and choose your Google account or enter your Google account's credentials. Make sure to type in your email and password associated with your Google account in the sign-in area. After you type in your credentials, you'll be able to get inside the Mem.ai application. Here, answer some of the questions, and there you are inside your Mem.ai application's homepage. Soon after you sign in, you'll be inside the free plan. If you ever want, you can also go ahead and subscribe to Mem.ai Premium or Pro plan so that you can get most of it from Mem.ai. After you are done, you can then create new notes, start exploring features like AI suggestions and quick captures. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.